girl KP. I'm here with AR. We're in Vegas for the Vegas Explosion 3. Y'all make sure y'all go follow my guy and make sure you follow me at KP Rising Vibes.
Y'all ready? Y'all see it. KP in the building. We in Vegas. You know what I'm talking about? A lot of cars, a lot of dope shit. So y'all go follow my girl, give her a follow, subscribe. She got a YouTube page too. She told y'all the IG, but she got YouTube too. So y'all go lock in with her.
Same thing, Rising Vibes. Rising Vibes on all social media
Y'all tap in with my dog for sure. Gang, y'all check this out, man. I done ran into my boy TJ out here with this 76 badass Regal. You know what I'm saying? TJ, tell him where we at, man.
We out here in Vegas, man, at the Explosion 3 car show, you feel me? We out here in Vegas doing it big, 76 Regal.
Y'all check him out, man. He all the way put together. In my mind, my opinion, y'all, this the best car out here, man. Y'all check him out, man. He hard to death, man.
All built in the garage.
He's built it all in the garage, y'all. Check him out. Y'all see, that's his IG, man. Y'all go give him a follow. Y'all can see this beautiful motherfucker.
You can't change it. He said,
check him out, y'all.
Sit him down, then we gonna stand him up.
It's Just AR.
Yeah, y'all heard him, man. Go follow It's Just AR. Tap in right now.
Tap in. He got all them good videos. Check my boy out.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Lock in, man.